Hey guys, for today's vlog, we were in Osaka and we're about to dive into one of the most iconic ramen experiences in Japan, which is Ichiran Ramen.
Spiciness.
When we got
Kung ano yung
there, we were
texture nung
told that the wait is more than 1 hour. Yep, it's that popular. While we're waiting, we were given this little piece of paper where you can customize your ramen from noodle firmness to spice level, richness of the broth, choosing garlic, green onions, all the good stuff. I love how specific you can get.
parang masarap din ang firm. Sige, medium na lang din. It's bali 1 hour wait time. 最後のところが
We also headed to the vending machine to pay. You can insert your money or you can also pay with your card. Choose your ramen and you can also add extras like boiled eggs or even more noodles.
Pala tayo. Hindi paano mag-add? Ipepay mo siya, tapos siguro tsaka nila makikita dito yung ano mo. Mag-a-add ka pa?
Sana.
Eh di pipili ka pa siguro ng iba.
Hindi, yun na lang.
Ano?
Hindi, gusto ko pan.
Nang?
Sushi. Wala ba dito?
Ito lang yan. Ito lang. Yung mga extra.
Paano, Pi?
Ayun, pipili ka po.
Again.
Here. Cash din ako. Ayun na yung ticket and yung change. Okay. Happy eating. Malapit na tayo. $18.20. Thank you.
After what felt like forever, we finally got seated. Each person gets their own private little booth, which is kind of genius because you can focus on your own ramen. For you to be more comfortable, there's also a place to hang your coat or jacket and also a little space to stash your bags.
Tsaka to, pwede dito.
They first serve the boiled egg as well as the Ichiran original tea, and also there is a faucet for refillable water. Inside your booth, you can also add extras as well as make special requests if you're feeling it.
It's noisy. Pwede ka pala pumili dito ng ipopost mo. It's noisy. Ito, yan nasa gilid mo. I'd like a bowl of and utensil. Ibibigay mo sa kanila kung may request ka. Itong isa, I don't know what is the ordering process. And itong isa naman, I'm leaving my seat for a moment. Please keep this table. We will clear your table. Do not return after 10 minutes. Okay. Nice.
Then the magic happens. The staff opens the little curtain in front of you, slide the slices of meat as well as the bowl of ramen.
お待たせいたしました。失礼いたします。
That's the cool and popular part. They bow politely before closing the curtain.
Akala ko makatok ako, no? Paano mo nabulatan?
Yan, tatlo.
Ano?
Hindi ko alam.
Di, pero syempre, ito, mas madaling balatan.
Dati, nagpakata ng konting mga ito, once retas mo. Ito mga
Ang sarap. Promise, ang sarap nga. Baka nakapag-add ng creamy yung ano.
happy. Ito mga retas mo. Ito yung price mo lang mo.
Hindi ko nalasahan yung anghang.
Kasi gawa ng tini.
Ah, bagay.
Ako maangat sa akin, Grace. Grace, sa akin maangat.
Ano bang pinili mo?
Kumain.
Alam ko ganun din sa akin. Sulit yung pag-aantay, no?
앉아있자 일어나니까 발 더 아프지 않아? 그치?
Tapos na ako. Naubos mo yung noodles mo?
Apa.
Ano yung dati? Anong hindi mo nauubos? Yung noodles o yung soup?
Noodle kang dito.
Ako yung soup ang hindi ko naman nauubos. Pero ito mauubos ko. Yung natikman kasi natin nung sa Tokyo, walang masyadong flavor, no? Simple lang.
Ayun na kayo. Wala kang garlic.
Ang tin nila medyo matabang. Ay, matabang actually, no? Ano nga sabi mo sa tin nito?
Rice wine.
Kailangan ko i-mix.
Ano yung iniinom mo? Ay, sorry. Sorry. Ano ka ba din?
And about the ramen, totally lived up the hype. The broth was rich and flavorful, the noodles were perfect, and the whole experience just made it even better. So if ever you are visiting Osaka, I would say you have to try Ichiran. It's not about eating ramen, it's about the vibes. Thanks for watching.